Stop scrolling. What I'm about to show you will flip everything you thought you knew about electric cars. Everyone thinks EVs are either boring economy boxes or $150,000 toys for tech billionaires. But here's the truth. There are 7 distinct levels of electric vehicles, and only one makes financial sense for 90% of drivers. Spoiler alert, it's probably not the Tesla everyone's obsessing over. I'm talking about EVs that cost less than a used Camry, hypercars that'll destroy a Bugatti, and everything in between. Stick around because level 4 is where things get wild, and by level 7, your jaw will be on the floor. Let's dive in. Level 1. The Budget Warriors, $25,000, $35,000. In 2026, you can drive out in a brand new EV for under $30,000. Cars like the Chevrolet Equinox EV at $27,500, the Nissan Leaf, and upcoming Chinese EVs are changing the game. These pack 200 to 250 miles of range, fast charging, Apple CarPlay, and safety systems that would have cost $50,000 5 years ago. The total cost of ownership is insane in a good way. No oil changes, no transmission work, no exhaust repairs. Just tires, brakes that last forever thanks to regenerative braking, and air filters. Gas cars cost about $100 to $200 yearly in maintenance. These budget EVs? Try $300. Charging at home runs $30 to $40 monthly versus $200+ for gas. Range anxiety? The average American drives 40 miles daily. These give you 200 to 250 miles. Perfect for first-time EV buyers, commuters, and anyone tired of gas stations. Level 2, the mainstream favorites, $35,000, $50,000. This sweet spot includes the Tesla Model 3, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and VW ID.4. You're getting 280 to 350 miles of range and performance that embarrasses decade-old sports cars. The base Model 3 hits 60 in 5.8 seconds, faster than a 2015 V8 Mustang. The Ioniq 5's 800-volt architecture charges from 10% to 80% in 18 minutes. The Mach-E gives you 312 miles range, and the GT trim will humble anyone who thinks EVs are slow. Tesla's supercharger network remains unmatched. These EVs feature over-the-air updates, real autopilot systems, premium sound, and panoramic roofs. Insurance costs are dropping as companies recognize fewer moving parts and better safety tech. Who should buy Level 2? Families and anyone wanting an EV that just works without compromise. Level 3, the luxury contenders, $50,000, $80,000. Traditional luxury brands are getting embarrassed here. The Tesla Model Y is the best-selling vehicle globally, period. It offers 330 miles range, seats for 7, and Swiss Army knife versatility. The Genesis GV60 looks like a concept car with quilted leather and a crystal sphere gear selector that rotates at startup. BMW's iX delivers 380 miles range with $150,000 car materials. Mercedes EQE's 56-inch hyperscreen is excessive and gorgeous. Polestar 3 brings 510 horsepower with Scandinavian minimalism. Level 3 adds massaging seats, premium audio from Bang & Olufsen, adaptive air suspension, and luxury dealer experiences. Genesis offers free charging for 3 years. These aren't just cars, they're lifestyle propositions for people wanting luxury without guilt. Level 4, the performance beasts, $80,000 to $120,000. Now we're serious. The Tesla Model S Plaid hits 60 in 1.99 seconds with 1,020 horsepower. This 4-door sedan destroys supercars for $108,000, cheaper than a base Porsche 911 Turbo. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S is where driving dynamics meet electric power perfectly. Its 800-volt architecture charges from 5% to 80% in 22 minutes. Build quality is pure Porsche. Lucid Air Sapphire delivers 1,234 horsepower, 520 miles range, and interiors that shame Mercedes. It hits 60 in 1.89 seconds, one of Earth's fastest production cars. BMW's i4 M50 offers 536 horsepower in a subtle package perfect for daily driving. These prove electric power isn't sacrifice. It's instant torque, all-wheel drive, and tech making gas sports cars feel ancient. Level 5, the ultra-luxury flagships, 120,000, 200,000. The Mercedes EQS is the electric S-Class with 56 inches of touchscreen and silence engineered to perfection. You're floating in a leather cocoon. The BMW iX Drive 50 feels substantial with vault-like doors and sustainable materials that still feel expensive. Lucid Air. Dream Edition has 520 miles range, the longest of any production EV, with more interior space than an S-Class despite being smaller outside. The glass canopy roof and 29-speaker Dolby Atmos system redefine luxury. Then there's the Rolls-Royce Spectre at $420,000. The first electric Rolls-Royce exists because electric power is more Rolls-Royce than gas. The silence, instant torque, and effortless delivery define true luxury. Level 5 is for people wanting the absolute best without compromise. Level 6, the exotic electrics 200,000, 500,000. Hypercar territory. The Rimac Nevera packs 1,914 horsepower, hitting 60 in 1.85 seconds with a 258 mph top speed. It holds acceleration world records and costs $2.4 million. The Lotus Evija delivers 2,000 horsepower in a carbon fiber body, weighing just 3,700 pounds. Only 130 exist at $2.3 million each. Pininfarina Battista combines Italian elegance with 1,900 horsepower and under 2-second acceleration. Only 150 are being made at $2.2 million. Tesla's Roadster, if it ever arrives, promises 60 in 1.9 seconds, 620 miles range, and possibly rocket thrusters for $200,000. Level 6 proves electric power isn't just practical, it's the fastest thing on Earth. Level 7, the concept hypercars 500,000 plus. The peak. The Aspark Owl delivers 1,885 horsepower and 60 in 1.69 seconds, the fastest accelerating production car ever. Only 50 exist at $3.2 million. The Tsinger 21C is a 3D printed hybrid with Yon 250 horsepower built by ex-F1 engineers for $2 million. Automobilia Strema Fulminea offers 2,040 horsepower. Only 61 are being built because it's the atomic number of promethium. Yes, really. The Bugatti Tourbillon Hybrid combines a V16 with electric motors for over 1,800 horsepower at $4 million. Level 7 isn't about practicality. It's about pushing engineering to the absolute limit and owning something fewer than 100 people will ever possess. 7 levels of electric cars, from budget warriors to concept hypercars. We're living through the greatest automotive revolution since the Model T. Every level offers something that wasn't possible a decade ago. Here's my advice. Figure out what level matches your needs and budget. Don't overspend trying to impress people. Levels 1 and 2 are genuinely excellent and will save you a fortune. But if you've got the means, levels 3 through 7 offer things no gas car can match. The future is electric. The only question is which level you're getting in at. Drop a comment telling me which EV caught your attention. Hit that subscribe button because we're going deep on everything automotive in 2026. Now go make a smart decision. Your bank account and the planet will thank you.